This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stove-top burner, slide-out, TV, skylight, microwave, DVD player, spare tire kit, air conditioning, leveling jacks, oven, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 311 BHS is 11,377 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.